Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when we drop another video. Now, looking at the box, you see the old school Air Jordan logo. So you more than sure you probably notice an Air Jordan 10 box. You know what I'm saying? Now, looking at the side, you got the Nike Air. But what we have is the Air Jordan 10 Retro in racer blue, team orange, and black. Now, opening the box, it's wrapped with this black paper, you know, that you can find on certain Jordans, you know what I mean? So let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 10 Tinker. Now, I've been told that this is called the Air Jordan 10 Tinker Hurache Light. Now, this one drew inspiration from the OG ultramarine theme that they had on the 1994 Nike Air Hurache Lights that was designed by Tinker Hatfield. Now, you see you got the racer blue. You see you have the black. You got the team orange and white. You got that nubuck leather, you know, with the bright, I don't know if that's like an aqua or jade or light blue. I'm not sure what that is on the inner lining. You know what I mean? On the bottom, you see you got the white and orange theme with the blue Jumpman. You got all his accolades listed under the bottom, usual on the 10. Let's look at the top part, that black, that mesh. There's that orange Jumpman, that orange pull tab on the back. There's the medial side. Man, I think it's a dope shoe, man. And when I first saw the pictures, I was like, oh, man, they tripping. But they grew on me, man. As I look at that tongue, you got the Air Jordan 23 with the mesh all throughout the laces. There's a closer look at it. Like I said, man, I think they dope, man. I'm feeling them. You know, I'm already a fan of the Knicks colorway. You know what I'm saying? Just the colorway, not the team. You know what I mean? I'm looking at the other shoe. Everything's identical. You know, I don't see no differences. These come with black laces, no other laces. On the inside, you have like that jade, aqua, or whatever lining with the orange Jumpman. I think it's dope, man. You know what I'm saying? So, now these release October 20th for $190. So if you're in the market for these, man, go ahead and get your chips together, man, and go ahead and get on them, man. You know what I'm saying? So, on another note, man, look, I'm about to change the name of the channel because I'm going to go another direction. You know, I'm going to broaden my horizons with the channel, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm trying to come up with another name, man. So if y'all got some suggestions, man, let me know. But I really don't know what to name it. You know what I'm saying? So it's still the same gang, just a different YouTube name. You know what I'm saying? So that was my look at the Air Jordan 10 Tinker or the Air Jordan 10 Tinker Hurache Light. Go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Subscribe to this channel, and I'ma holler back.